Hey guys, this is Mason at Desert Style. Today we're going to be lowering this Silverado right here. Customer brought this in, she wanted the rear lowered and a few things cleaned up and fixed on it. So let's get into it. Basically I'm going to take a wire wheel to this whole thing. It's going to take a while and then I'm going to coat it after we weld these C-notches in and then cut the bottom out and put the bent bottom piece of the C-notch in there. Flip this puppy on, push it all the way on. It bends and conforms with the factory bend in the frame. This top piece will come welded in, cut the bottom, weld the bottom piece on, you're done. So we've got the C-notches welded in now. Basically now we're going to drill each corner of the bend and then we're going to use the cutoff wheel and cut out the notch. We're going to cut it out and then we're going to put our plate in and we're going to weld it in. So now we're ready to cut this out because this corner already has like a hole in the frame, so it's already going to be rounded, so I'm not too worried about that section. So we're going to cut out this section and put the plate in. So we have this piece cut out, grind it all smooth, tight to the knot. Basically like that. You might need to use a little clamp to pull it tight up right there. But other than that, it's good. Also, your nut right here is going to hit, I don't know if you can see it, where the other nut for the bump stop would go. You kind of have to cut a triangle up here so that it doesn't hit when it goes up.